Part A, Directions. Each item in this part consists of a brief conversation involving two speakers. Following each conversation, a third voice will ask a question. You will hear the conversations and questions only once, and they will not be written out. When you have heard each conversation and question, read the 4 answer choices and select the one, A, B, C, or D, that best answers the question based on what is directly stated or on what can be inferred. Then fill in the space on your answer sheet that matches the letter of the answer that you have selected. Here is an example. You will hear,
"Do you think I should leave this chair against the wall or put it somewhere else?"
Over by the window, I'd say.
What does the woman think the man should do? You will read, A. Open the window. B. Move the chair. C. Leave the room. D. Take a seat. From the conversation, you find out that the woman thinks the man should put the chair over by the window. The best answer to the question, what does the woman think the man should do, is B. Move the chair. You should fill in B on your answer sheet. Now let's begin with the first conversation. Number 1.
"Did Joan get someone to fix the broken window?"
No, she did it herself.
What does the woman say about Joan? Number 2.
"You're from Mayport? There's a big golf tournament held there every year, isn't there?"
You're right. That golf tournament really put our little town on the map.
What does the woman say about the town of Mayport? Number 3.
This painting isn't an original, it's a copy.
"How do you know that?"
What does the man ask the woman? Number 4.
Do you know where the nearest pharmacy is?
"There's one in the supermarket on Lexington Street, right next to that big used car lot."
What does the woman probably want? Number 5.
Mandy, did you get a chance to read that magazine I gave you?
Cover to cover.
What does Mandy say about the magazine? Number 6.
"Jack didn't sound bad at all."
Yeah, considering he hasn't played the guitar in years.
What do the speakers say about Jack? Number 7.
"Do you think that I've packed too much equipment for my camping trip?"
It should be just right, Max, if you plan to be gone for a couple of years.
What does the woman imply about Max? Number 8.
What should I take with me when I talk to the mayor?
"I bring a pen and notebook and a small tape recorder. Oh, and a prepared list of questions, of course."
What is the woman probably planning to do? Number 9.
"That couldn't have been Professor Le Guin that you saw yesterday. He's been at a conference in San Francisco all week."
Well, it sure looked like him.
What can be inferred about the woman? Number 10.
There must be something wrong with that microphone the speaker is using. I can hardly understand a word he's saying.
Yeah, I can only catch a word or two myself.
Why are these people probably having trouble understanding the speaker? Number 11.
Do you know where Dr. Delaney's office is?
There's a directory over by the elevators.
What does the man imply about Dr. Delaney's office? Number 12.
Do you still like country music?
Can't get enough of it.
What does the woman say about country music? Number 13.
You weren't very busy at work today, I suppose.
Not busy. We were snowed under.
What does the woman mean? Number 14.
I've spent all my money for the month.
Join the club.
What does the man mean? Number 15.
Is Clark going to come to the reception with us?
If he can tear himself away from his computer for one evening, he might.
What does the woman imply about Clark? Number 16.
In this photograph, Gordon looks like the youngest person in your group.
Actually, he's the second oldest.
What is learned about Gordon from this conversation? Number 17.
Sam sure cooks good pancakes.
Yeah, but not much else.
What does the woman say about Sam? Number 18.
Professor Bryant always grades fairly.
I couldn't agree with you more.
What does the woman mean? Number 19.
We should discuss our presentation sometime in the next few days.
Fine. How about over lunch today?
When does the woman want to talk about the presentation? Number 20.
I'd love to be up in the mountains where it's cool.
So you're not enjoying our weather this month?
What can be inferred from the man's remark? Number 21.
This is a great restaurant. You can get anything you want here.
Anything except good service.
What is the woman's opinion of the restaurant? Number 22.
Does the name John Casey ring a bell for you?
John Casey. I can't say that it does.
What does the man ask the woman about John Casey? Number 23.
I didn't know you were interested in geology.
Well, it's a requirement to take at least one science course, and geology seemed like the easiest one.
Why is the man taking the geology course? Number 24.
Have you ever seen a bear?
Only at the zoo.
What does the man mean? Number 25.
Connie asked you a lot of questions, didn't she?
Yes, she did. And I'd like to know what she was driving at.
What does the man wonder about Connie? Number 26.
Gary, do you know when the work on that new road will be done?
The sooner the better, as far as I'm concerned.
What does Gary say about the new road? Number 27.
My brother Charles is studying in Europe.
Really? Since when?
What does the woman want to know about the man's brother? Number 28.
Charlotte will be starting graduate school in September.
So she did get a scholarship.
What had the man originally assumed? Number 29.
Today is the 1st of the month. Isn't your rent due today?
Yes, but I always pay it on the day before it's due.
What does the man say about his rent? Number 30.
A lot of people were planning to attend the debate.
Not many were there, though.
What does the man mean?
This is the end of Part A.